Today it's actually a bad day because there's a snowstorm and I was looking forward to going somewhere, so that's kind of ruined my day. But if you look at the bright side, no school, playing the snow if we're lucky, and also my little brother, he's came round, so yeah, that's good. But the bad thing also is that there's something going on with our roads, and we got to kind of fix it there on our road. So that's not good. When there's snow, it's probably a snowstorm. I think it's snowing, but the wind is blowing it, but it's more like a snowstorm. It started probably like 5 o'clock this morning, but it hasn't exactly settled on the floor, so it's not very good. So let's be hopefully no